Hi, my name's Andrew from Stanbond Screen and Shade Solutions. Wanted to share with you an opportunity that exists for a trainee installer. We know things are tough out in the employment market at the moment, especially for young people. So we thought it was the perfect time to share with you this opportunity and hopefully be able to find the right person for us. Stanbond is a manufacturer and retailer of a range of home improvement products, including blinds, awnings, roller shutters, crimp-safe security, and curtains. We have an installation team of about 11 across an organisation of about 70 staff. Installers are an incredibly important part of our business. They're the people who put the product into our customers' homes, do the final quality control, and are often the last person that the customer interacts with. And for that reason, we have a really serious approach to finding the right type of people for our organisation. Installers need to have great hand skills, the ability to work alone, the ability to work with customers and overcome hurdles within a home. The installation traineeship is a 2.5-year program where we take a person that has good hand skills and some of those other attributes, but doesn't necessarily have any trade background or any other qualifications. And we teach them how to be a master installer over 2.5 years. We give them a van, we give them tools. And at the end of that 2.5 years, if they pass all of the requirements, they get to keep the van, keep the tools, and we guarantee them a job on our installation team. So it's a great opportunity, especially for young people who are interested and open to learn. So if you know anyone or you yourself are interested in a role like that, what we'd like you to do is one of two things. Either you can send us your resume and a bit about you to our email hr@stanbondsa.com.au, or make a short video, a little bit like this, introducing yourself, why you're interested in the job and what your skills are with your hands, what other skills and attributes you have. Thanks very much for your time. We look forward to finding the right person to join our team.